Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bind off on a simple Tunisian stitch. Two ways I'm going to show you, with a single stitch look and a slip stitch look. So let's get started. Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to bind off. I have over 1700 videos. I'm sure I did show it, but I wanted to make it separate and go from there. So I've been crocheting this. My plan was to make a dish mat, but it turned out pretty big. I might turn this into it's like 32 inches. So I might turn this into a blanket or a napkin, nap blanket or something like that, because it's pretty big and wide. So what I did is I used the entire ball of this yarn. And I'm starting the second one because I want to do the edges. I want to do the shell stitch edge. I already have that tutorial, so I used up 340 grams of yarn. Okay, so again, this is the second ball. And I'm going to finish it up and then do the edges. Okay, oh it did frog. Let's fix this. Need to sit here comfortably. Okay, so as you can see, this is just a simple Tunisian crochet stitch. I have this tutorial already. I did it years ago. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know what happened here, but that's okay. You can't leave it like this, so we need to finish it up. To finish it up, this is how we finish it. And it depends on what stitch you're using. This is just a simple Tunisian stitch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here as if to, pick up stitches, but we're not going to do that. So we're going to crochet this and then crochet it like this. So what we're doing is we're binding off. And as you can see here, you can see the space between, but here when we're finishing it up, so this is a second, and then we just do a slip stitch. So you will see how this is turning out. I'm doing it loosely just to show you. So pull and then slip stitch. See how it looks like? So this is called the bind up Tunisian crochet stitch. And this is done on the simple. If you're doing it, sorry, the window is open. Oh. Yeah, it's really hot and I had to open the window. So the air conditioning is, we turn it off because there's a nice breeze coming. It's like windy, but it's still warm. So sorry about the noise, but this is going to be a short video again. So we go on each of these stitches, we pull. You can do it this way as well, but this way, when you do it this way, see, you're pulling it and then you're pulling it this way. It's the same technique actually. Let me just do it this way. So it's the same way. See? Yeah, I'm doing it loosely. Usually I don't. So again, you pick up, you pull this, and then you pull this. So basically what you're doing is you're making a single crochet. Okay, and then you will notice that it's fixing, it's binding off, and we're fixing it. Okay, so I'm going to do this all the way to the end. It's pretty long, so let me just finish it, and I will come back to show you how to finish the end here. And then that's all to it. So it's just a short tutorial on how to bind off. Just like this. Forgot to mention, I'm doing this like a single crochet, right? But there's another way you can do it. You can do it like a slip stitch. So what you do is you don't do this part, this what you do is you just pull at once. So what happens is you create that slip stitch. See? You can do this as well. I prefer it this way because I'm going to do edging, and I would like to have the, it doesn't matter, you don't have to do it. I was just thinking I would like to have the single crochet seam, but there's nothing here as well. But here I would these looks like single crochet, so that's why I prefer to do it this way. But again, if you don't want to, you can just do slip stitch as I just showed you. So there's two ways you can do it. It's either, let me just show it to you one more time so you can compare it, and then you can pick which one you want to go with. So either you can do it like this, like a single crochet, or you can do it like this as a slip stitch. Either way would work. Okay, so I just wanted to come to the end, and I still have a bit left. So let me just pause and then come to the end, and I will show you. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm at the end. I did this one. Now for this one, we're just going to do a slip stitch. So I pull this last loop, and I loop it, and I pull it at once, and we're done. So we finish it like this. From now on, for me, I'm just going to do my shell stitch. You don't have to do it, but I would like to. I always do a boarding edging on the end. So I hope you like this tutorial, and I'll talk to you later. Take care. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you watching my tutorials, my videos, my podcasts, my renews, my yarn unboxing, and so on. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video, tutorial, renew, and so on. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, happy crafting, whichever you're doing the best and enjoying it. Thank you. Bye-bye.